Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about one of the most important topics in personal finance, creating a personal financial plan. Did you know that only 40% of Americans have a budget? And only 1 in 4 have a written financial plan? So, if you're part of the majority without a plan, stick around, because we're going to show you how to create a personal financial plan that works for you. Why you need a personal financial plan. First things first, let's talk about why you need a personal financial plan. A financial plan is a roadmap that helps you achieve your financial goals. It takes into account your current financial situation and helps you make informed decisions about your money. So, let's get started on creating your plan. How to create a personal financial plan. Step 1. Determine your financial goals. The first step in creating a personal financial plan is to determine your financial goals. What do you want to achieve in the short term, medium term, and long term? This could be anything from paying off credit card debt to buying a home to retiring comfortably. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. The next step is to assess your current financial situation. This includes calculating your net worth, tracking your spending, and analyzing your debts and assets. You need to have a clear understanding of where you stand financially before you can create a plan to achieve your goals. Step 3. Develop a plan of action. Once you have your financial goals and know your current financial situation, it's time to develop a plan of action. This includes setting a budget, creating a debt repayment plan, determining your savings strategy, and developing an investment plan. Your plan of action should be specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and timely. Step 4. Implement your plan. The fourth step is to implement your plan. This means putting your budget into action, making extra payments on your debts, contributing to your savings and investment accounts, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as needed. Tips for creating a successful financial plan. Now that you know the steps involved in creating a personal financial plan, let's talk about some tips for making your plan successful. Tip 1. Be realistic. Your financial plan needs to be realistic. Don't set unrealistic goals or make a budget that you can't stick to. Tip 2. Track your progress. It's important to track your progress and regularly review your plan. This will help you stay motivated and make adjustments as needed. Tip 3. Start small. Don't try to do everything at once. Start with one goal and focus on achieving it before moving on to the next one. Tip 4. Get help if needed. If you're struggling to create or implement your plan, don't be afraid to seek help. This could be from a financial advisor, a friend or family member, or an online community. Common mistakes to avoid. Now that you know how to create a personal financial plan and some tips for success, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Mistake 1. Not having a plan. As we mentioned earlier, not having a financial plan is a big mistake. Without a plan, you're more likely to overspend, accumulate debt, and miss out on opportunities to save and invest. Mistake 2. Setting unrealistic goals. Setting unrealistic goals is another mistake to avoid. It's important to be realistic about what you can achieve with your current financial situation and resources. Mistake 3. Not reviewing and adjusting your plan. Creating a financial plan is not a one-time event. You need to regularly review and adjust your plan as your financial situation changes and your goals evolve. Mistake 4. Not saving for emergencies. Another common mistake is not saving for emergencies. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can derail your financial goals if you're not prepared. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. The steps to create a personal financial plan, tips for success, and mistakes to avoid. Remember, creating a financial plan is one of the most important things you can do for your financial future. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe for more personal finance tips and tricks.